probably know her.
I'm Adrienne, and I'm Alexa's mommy. And this is Sundays with Alexa.
Oh yeah, right.
For your channel, it's Sundays with Mom, right? Okay, what are we making today?
Banana bread. And we have a lot of changes coming up today.
Oh, we do?
And I'm starting a new channel. And I have stuff that I'm going to be pulling up when I was a little bit younger.
Oh, okay.
That I was playing with. And
You're rambling.
I have no idea.
Okay, so let's make the banana bread. All right, so what happens when bananas start to ripen? What happens? What's the taste?
Sweet.
They get sweeter. And so if your bananas are getting to the point where you don't want to necessarily eat them, it's a good thing. How many bananas did I put in there? 2?
2.
Okay. To start making banana bread. So there's 2, this is 3. We need 6 for this recipe. Okay? This recipe is from Living Healthy Every Day. It's a vegan cookbook. It's by Debi. I cannot pronounce her last name, but I will put it in the comments. Okay, how many was that? 4, 5, 6. Okay, great. Alexa's gonna mash them up for us. Right? Okay?
Okay.
And then we might speed this process. All right, here you go. So, these are really healthy. Most banana breads have sugar in them. We are using dates and chia seeds. We're also using oat flour that we just took, regular oats, yes?
And if you see a flower or a heart in this video,
I can't do all that. Like, I love to. You're getting off the subject.
okay. And also click the bell and subscribe.
Yes, please. Hearts. How do I put hearts in the video? Do I need to figure that out?
Like,
do you want to do this?
emojis and stuff.
Oh, okay. Oh, give us hearts. Give us lots of hearts and likes.
Oh, and
okay, hold it with that. Okay, so like I was saying, this has, I will put a link to the recipe, but this is super healthy. I know I've seen a lot of different, this is my first time making banana bread, and I'm like the worst baker ever because I try to always make it healthy, but I'm actually following a recipe that is healthy. So this has chia seeds in it, it has walnuts, and oats is what we're using for our flour. So a lot of, so it is gluten-free, but we just took regular old-fashioned oats and blended them up in our blender, and we got it. Well, don't spit in the bread.
I did it.
All right. Go ahead and still mash those.
She's a master of muscles. And I'm master baby muscles.
Okay,
And by the way, I have a new nickname.
What is your nickname?
Morgan.
Okay. So this is, it's 6 ripe. We're also doubling up on this recipe because we have a lot of people in our family. So, and I think this will go fast. So we have,
we have
1
6
full
people in our family.
apple, red apple in here. It says to mash it up, but I'm gonna blend it up to make it a little easier on Alexa.
Okay, apples. Got it.
And we washed our hands before this, right, Alexa?
Yes, I did.
Because that's important, right?
Yes.
All right, let's see. That's mommy. So what do you think about doing these every Sunday? Doing something. Just, it doesn't have to be baking, but it could be, I don't know, face stuff.
And I'm starting a new show, by the way, with LOLs.
Oh, yeah? Tell them what, a lot of people don't know what LOLs are who watch my videos.
So they are, you know, I have a lot of them. Wait, hold on. I'll show you what LOL is.
LOLs are a trap. That's what they are. For parents to spend money. Okay, so there's the bananas. Our oat flour, we have our bananas and our apple mixed up. And then,
So LOLs are these, you can't really see them. But there's, do you want a close up, Mom?
Baby cakes, that all comes with that comes afterwards. The magic comes afterwards.
So, this is a boy LOL, and this is a girl LOL. And they aren't just all pink and blue, they're all different colors. And there's also LOLs called OG dolls that are bigger than these and that have real hair. And one of those are in my room. And there's also boy LOLs. There used to be only girls LOLs, and now there's boys. And there's also babies.
I'm just gonna say 350.
Or 355.
Okay. Oh, did you put them in the hopper? Okay. So we're back to our show. All right, here we go. So bananas, apple, and then it says we need
Some dates.
we need coconut oil.
Mush dates.
Those are dates.
So,
That's what we're gonna use instead of brown sugar. We listen. We got to keep to our recipe right fast, okay? And then we
I
can
know
talk
what
about.
I'm trying to tell him. So you keep all the dry ingredients in here and all the smushed apples in
The
here.
wet ingredients, right?
All the wet ingredients. And the oats might go in here. I'm pretty sure they will because they
All right, so
are.
it says to add
these
our.
are dry.
Hold on.
So
Add the oil, which is coconut oil, cinnamon, chia seeds, and milk to the bananas. So we need, it says 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So we need 2 because we're doubling up, right? 1, 2. Okay.
and if you want to,
Chia seeds. Chia seeds are great, you guys. They have protein in them.
and if you want to see all my channels that I'm
4 grams of
doing,
protein. They're good.
oh,
Fats.
and also
Really good for you.
if you see my channels, totally subscribe to hers.
It says we need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which means how many do we need for doubling up? 1,
2.
2.
They're sticking.
Yep, some of them are sticking. So there we go. There's that. You can get these are from Trader Joe's, maybe? I don't know. We can get chia seeds from. Oh, you can get chia seeds from Walmart too. And then it says cinnamon and milk. Okay, so let's do a little cinnamon. You want to put a little dash of cinnamon in there?
Yes.
Just a little bit. Okay.
Which one?
This one. It says, okay. That's probably good. We'll just do a little bit more. I mean, you can't go wrong with cinnamon, right?
Yeah, cinnamon's
There's
good.
cinnamon, and then it says milk. It says we need 150
Oh, and
milliliters
people,
of milk.
if
Baby, you
you-
gotta stop talking when I'm talking. Right, go ahead.
And if you have not eaten vanilla and you only had to smell it, it does not taste good.
Right, but it tastes good in recipes. We're adding 300 milliliters
Very
of
good in
almond
recipes,
milk.
but does not taste good.
to the
Might smell good,
bananas.
but not good.
Okay. Give this a
And we're
mix.
putting the wet ingredients and a few dry ingredients.
Okay,
We're
there
mixing
we
them
go.
together.
Okay, so it says to fold the dry ingredients into the mashed bananas, but we're gonna do it like opposite, I guess, because this is the bigger bowl. So you also need walnuts. You don't have to do walnuts. We're doing pecans, whatever. And we're doing chocolate chips too. So okay, here we go.
And if you like
And we're just gonna
mangoes,
crush it up.
if you like mangoes, hit a subscribe button because we have mangoes at our house and they are delicious. And I think we have
Yes, they are.
1 or 2. We have 2 or 3, maybe.
So this is a vegan recipe. What the chia seeds are going to do is act as it's gonna bring it all together like an egg. Did you know that? Okay, and we're gonna put
You mean
in,
like the shell?
we're gonna fold this
Egg,
in.
egg. Where's the egg?
Baby, don't get an egg, come on. All right, here we go. So, I just wanna make sure I'm doing this all right. All right, let's fold this in. You're being silly. Okay.
I thought I was only going to be in this short. I was like, you are too.
Yeah.
That's good.
All right.
I want to do a good job if you want it.
Let's grab some of this.
Asa?
You okay,
stop
Asa?
making your noises, alright?
So let's just fold this in like this. This is playing. Okay, so we're gonna fold this in. We got the cinnamon. We need to add the dates. It's called, so this is our sweetness.
And by
This
the
is
way,
brown sugar.
dates are not actually dates.
Date, like what? You mean like going out on a date?
Yeah.
They're,
Like
no, they're not.
dates and the dates of the week, like all that.
Oh, dates. Oh, I get you. I get you. Mommy was off somewhere else.
Cause in
Okay.
Amelia Bedelia, she was making a date cake and she put dates in it. Like not dates,
Like dates of the week?
but dates of the week, like
That's
paper
silly.
dates.
3 teaspoons of baking powder.
Oh, and Amelia Bedelia,
So we need 6.
she's usually all grown up, but I have a little kid version that I got for Christmas.
3 teaspoons of baking powder. Baking powder, so that's 1.
And make sure you mix it in as well as you
2,
can.
3. 1, 2, 3.
That's 6.
Just a little bit more. Okay. And then
She's going crazy
That's
with
it.
this.
that's
This might look good, and I have not really
okay.
tasted banana
So
bread in a long
it's baking
time.
powder. Okay, we got apples, dates, baking powder. All right, so let's fold this in. Let me, mommy, help you. You're doing a great job.
So, okay. Can I try?
So just kind of like fold it over like
Oh,
this.
that looks easy.
Okay.
So easy. Can I try?
Yeah,
Try.
do it. Do it. And so while she's doing that, I'm gonna add some walnuts. No, pecans. Pecans. And I'm just gonna crush them up with my hands. Because I'm strong. What did you call me? I forgot. You said I had muscles or something like that.
Muscle
Right?
band, I think.
But like if you don't like,
This mushy goo.
no, if you don't like or someone's allergic to nuts, then you don't have to put these in. I like nuts.
Well, I don't. So I probably won't be eating this.
You have to try it. She has to try it, right? Yes. If you
Click
cook
in
it,
the comments if you think I should try this. And if you have a laptop or phone
Let mommy
or
help you.
an iPad,
Any of the things, right? Any of
anything.
Looking good. Dates, baking powder. Just want to make sure. Okay, and then show them the pan we're going to put it in, okay? I also have had the oven at 356 because she says to put the oven on at 180 degrees Celsius.
And you can put
And that's
it
apparently what.
and you can put it in any pan. This is a pan that you can take apart.
That's
like
called a
this.
springform pan.
And you can take it out.
I'm
And
going to add. Oops, sorry.
it's okay. And
What do we
if
put a
you
little bit
want
of
to
parchment
use this
paper?
same kind of pan, you have to cut out a circle
Put a little bit more
thing. So,
That's parchment paper, and what does that help do?
help not make it stick.
Right. All right.
And
so
my mom scribbled on here.
did. Oh, we forgot the chocolate chips. Do you think we should put chocolate chips in? Yeah, for sure.
Oh my gosh, this stinks.
Ah! What stinks?
I just farted. Oh, I'm going up there.
Baby cakes.
What? And double the
fold it.
chocolate.
Okay, that fold it in. That's good. Fold it in.
Double the chocolate.
Fold it in.
This
how to
looks
go
like a gooey mushiness, and gonna have like pink chocolate chips.
Oh, you know what?
And we're gonna make banana bread out of paints.
Grease the sides of the pan, so I'm just taking some cooking spray and doing it. Alright, that's good, buddy. And then I'm just spreading this out.
This smells like the oil stuff.
You didn't just wipe it on your clothes, right?
Oh, jeez.
Here you go. Okay, so this called to put it in a loaf pan, but I thought since we were doubling up, we could put it in here, and hopefully it'll
To me, but she thought it
taste
was like,
buds.
ugh.
Daddy liked it, didn't you, Daddy?
Oh,
Yep.
jeez, he's not listening.
What?
He is a teacher, so he is always on a computer.
Hmm.
Dad, say hi.
All right. So let's add some. This is what it looks like in the pan. We're gonna add some bananas on the top and some walnuts on the top and some chocolate. He loves walnuts, he says. Let's see. Let's get another banana.
By the way, I have a granny bun on the back of my head. Granny bun. Oh, and what's a panda bun? Of course I know, but a panda bun, it's just a panda, a circle panda. That's it.
Let's put some bananas on the top.
Oh, jeez. Here we go
You want to
again.
do this?
Oh, jeez.
Looks good. Good job.
Everything we ever need. We just been at church, so I have a bunch of songs stuck in my head.
What songs?
Like 1,000. Can't tell.
All right, you ready? Oh, do we need to put some chocolate chips on the top?
Yeah. I totally got this.
Not too. Okay, let me hold them. That's too much. That's too much.
No.
All right.
We need to double. You said we're doubling everything.
True, very true. All right.
I need to go to the bathroom.
All right. All right, there we go. And we're gonna put it in the oven for 40 minutes.